Hello children, good morning everyone. Today we are going to start worksheet 5. So shall we start? Okay, start with question number 1a. Choose the correct alternatives from those given below each question. Here in this question we have to choose the correct option from the given 4. Number 1, standing on Everest. The writer was blank. Overjoyed, very sad, excited, jubilant, and sad. So, here the question is standing on Everest, the writer felt blank. The writer felt jubilant and sad. दोनों ही फीलिंग थी उनको. वो हैप्पी भी थे क्योंकि वो समिट पे पहुंच गए थे, पिक पर पहुंच गए थे, एंड सैड भी थे क्योंकि उनको वहां से वापस नीचे आना पड़ेगा. ये सोचकर वो सैड भी हो गए थे. सो हियर द करेक्ट आंसर इज डी, जुबिलेंट एंड सैड. Number 2, for a climb to a summit, blank is required. Endurance, willpower, persistence, all of these three. Here the question is, for climb to a summit, what is required? So here for climb a summit, all of these three required. Endurance, willpower as well as persistence also required for climb a summit. So here we will choose option D as correct answer. Number 3, Major HPS Ahluwalia calls the experience of glimpsing Everest blank. A, mystical, B, a brutal struggle, C, exhilaration, and D, victory. But here the correct answer is A. Major HPS Ahluwalia calls the experience of glimpsing Everest is mystical. Mystical means supernatural. So here A option is correct answer. Number 4, the poet says that a bird is born for blank. A, singing songs, B, joy, C, flying in the sky, and D, being in a cage. So the correct answer of this question is a bird is born for joy. Now question 1b. Fill in the blanks from the options given in the bracket. Here some options are given in the bracket. Now we have to fill this blank with appropriate answers. There were blank obstacles on the way, but we reached our destination safely. Major HPS Ahluwalia was saying that there were formidable obstacles on the way, but we reach our destination safely. So here we will write formidable from this bracket. Number 2, blank is called blank. So during the lessons I have told you that a German soldier is also called Fritz. So here we will write the answer in the first blank. Fritz is called, and in the second blank we will write German soldier. So Fritz is called German soldier. German soldier को दूसरे कौन से नाम से पुकार रहे थे? Fritz के नेम से. Number 3, we have no blank of finding out what happened there. Here we will choose from the bracket the correct answer as means. We have no means of finding out what happened there. Number 4, the poet says that a blank is born for joy. We have just discussed in MCQs number 4. The poet says that a bird is born for joy. So in the first blank we will write bird, and in the second blank of fourth number we will write joy. The poet says, poet ऐसे बोल रहे थे कि जो bird है वो joy के लिए born होते हैं. So a bird is born for joy. Joy means खुशी, happiness. Now moving forward, let's begin question number 2. Answer the following questions in 1 or 2 sentences. Number 1. What, according to the writer, did his experience as an Everester teach him? राइटर के अकॉर्डिंग एवरेस्टर का उनके एक्सपीरियंस में उनको क्या सीखने को मिला? द करेक्ट आंसर इज अकॉर्डिंग टू द राइटर. His experience as an Everester taught how to face the difficulties with strong determination. अगर हमारे वे में हमारे पाथ में कोई डिफ़िकल्टीज आती है तो अपने स्ट्रॉन्ग डिटर्मिनेशन से उसको कैसे फेस करते हैं वो उनको सीखने को मिला, ऐसे राइटर बोल रहे हैं. इट इज़ ऑल्सो टॉट हिम टू लुक विद इन एट द इंटरनल समिट विच इज़ हायर देन द एवरेस्ट. एंड वो ये भी बता रहे हैं कि हमारा जो इंटरनल समिट है वो तो एवरेस्ट से भी हायर है. तो हमारे इंटरनल समिट को हमें कैसे देखना चाहिए वो भी उनको सीखने को मिला. Number 2, what are the 3 qualities that played a major role in the author's climb? The author has successfully completed the climb of Everest. So here the question is, what are the 3 qualities that played a major role in the author's climb? ऐसी कौन सी 3 qualities हैं कि जिन्होंने authors के climb में major role play किया था? The correct answer is the 3 qualities that played a major role in the author's climb are endurance, means sufferance, then persistence and willpower. These 3 qualities played major role in the author's climb. Number 3, what does the phrase "won through with dreary shower" mean? Here we have to write the meaning of this phrase "won through with dreary shower." The correct answer is the phrase "won through with dreary shower" means to be tired with the dull and boring shower of continuous lectures of teachers being poured over the child. As discussed in the poem Children, I have explained you that the child was tired of the lectures of teachers, right? So he told this phrase. Which one? With through dreary shower. It means the child was tired with the dull and boring shower of continuous lectures. स्कूल में जो टीचर्स कंटिन्यूअस लेक्चर्स देते हैं वो कंटिन्यूअस लेक्चर्स को वो शावर बोलता है. कौन? चाइल्ड. पोयम में जो स्पीकर है चाइल्ड है वो. एंड ये टीचर्स की लेक्चर से वो बिल्कुल बोर हो जाता है. दैट्स वाई ही टोल्ड वॉन थ्रो विथ ड्रेरी शावर. Now question number 3, do as directed. This topic will be taken from grammar. Number 1, fill in the blanks with degrees of comparison. Here in number A, we have to fill this blank with degrees of comparison. Options are given here also. We have to choose one correct option from given 3 options. Number A, Zubin is a blank student. Smart, smarter and smartest. I have explained to students that there are 3 types of degrees. Which one? Positive degree, comparative degree and superlative degree. Here first option is given in positive degree. Second option is given in comparative degree and third option is given in superlative degree. But here question is Zubin is a blank student. Here in this question there is no comparison is showing, right? So this one is in positive sentence, positive degree. So here we will write the positive form of degree. Zubin is a blank student. Here we will write smart. Zubin is a smart student. Number B, but China is blank than India. Now here after the blank which word is given, then it means the in this sentence the comparison is shown between China and India. Again here 3 types of degrees given in the options. We have to choose comparative form of the degree here. But China is bigger than India. So here comparative form of big is bigger. That's why we will write in this blank bigger. Here there is comparison between 2 countries, China and India. China is shown bigger than India. So here we will write the comparative form of the degree. So here we have completed worksheet number 5. All of you have to write this worksheet in your notebook with proper handwriting and prepare it also. Bye everyone. Thank you. Have a nice day.